Hey guys, today we'll be opening the Elite Trainer box, Shining Fates. Hope we could get some good pulls. Let's go. Player's Guide. Card game rules. Some dices. These are actually plastic. Compared to the metal ones from the Chilling Rain. Let's see what else we got here. Oh wow, these come with 10 packs. I didn't even know. I thought it was just 8. That's nice. Ooh, comes with a ETB VMAX. Ooh, that's nice. Let's see what else we got here. Card separators, energy. And sleeves. Okay. First pack from Shining Fates. Let's see what we got in here. Majority of these Pokemons I'm new to, so probably don't know majority of them. Fire energy. Dart tricks. Ball guy. Team Yellow Towel. Sphinx. Coughing. Horsey. Crocky. Ooh, it's cute. Morpeko. And a shiny Swanna. And a Celebi. That's non-holographic. Let's see the second pack. Still getting a hang of how to open these. one didn't open too well, but Psychic Energy, Luxio, Team Yell Towel again, Thwacky, Snom, another coughing, Cacnea, Gossifleur, another Snom, wow, and a Eve, a shiny Eve, ooh. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, a Cinderace. Ooh, this one is shiny. Nice, nice. It looks like it's a V Cinderace. Shiny Eevee. Ooh. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what we got in this one. Ooh, it's a Charizard. Is this... Are we gonna get a Charizard? Hope so. See what we got here. Not sure what this energy is. Rotom, Floatzel, Rusted Sword, another Gossifleur, another Cacnea, Koofant, Buzzo, Spinarak, and it's a Kyogre. Ooh, this looks pretty nice. Volcanion. That one doesn't look too good. Pack number 4. Water Energy, Rusted Shield, Eldegoss, Dartrix, another Cacnea, Chuto, Spinarak, another Koofant, another Gossifleur, and a Yanmega. Ooh, shiny. Yanmega. See what we got here. Luxray. Ooh. Ball Guy, Tropius, Rusted Shield, Eve, Eevee, Buzzo, Yanma, Trapinch, Nickit, Manaphy, and Dreadnought. Looks like we got 5 packs left. Hopefully we get something good. Leaf Energy, Tropius, Rotom, Cramorant, another Eevee, Nickit, Horsey, Snom again, Morpeko, another Morpeko, Cooperaja, ooh, and a non-holographic Yanmega. Four packs remaining. Lightning Energy, another Rusted Sword, Luxio, Thwackey, Morpeko, Buzo, another Nickit, another Cacnea, another Cuffent, and it's a shiny Thwackey, and a Manaphy that's not shiny. Three packs left. Let's see what we get. Fighter Energy, Cramorant, Team Yellow Towel, Thwackey, Morpeko, Coughing, Gossifleur again, another Cacnea, Chiweto. Ooh, it's a Ditto VMAX. Ooh, crap. Ooh, this card looks nice. Ditto. And what we got next? It's NDD. Ooh, I liking that Ditto. That Ditto is my favorite one so far. Two packs remaining. Let's see what we get. Hoping we get more like the Dittos. I need to get better at opening these packages. See, Fire Energy, Thwackey, Gym Trainer, Float Cell, Yanma, Trapinc, Sphinx, Rowlet, and another Eevee. It's a shiny ball guy, trainer, and another Celebi. Wow. Looks like we're up to our last pack, guys. Yeah. Hope we could pull something good. Hoping we get something good, guys. Lightning Energy, Eldegoss, Camerant, Ball Guy, Croaky, Yanma, Morpeko, Chulet, another Eevee. Wow, it's filled with these. Ooh, it's a shiny Galarian Mr. Rhyme. And what's the last card we got, guys? Open. Ooh, it's a Doosidai. Let's look at the best cards we got. Cinderace V. And the Ditto VMAX. I'm loving this stuff about most. This one is really pretty. This Eevee's not bad as well. Too bad the portrait is not shiny. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. See you guys next time.